Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have the new pads and a small flat tool. Begin now. You'll power off and place the headphones on a clean flat surface so nothing scratches the cups. Once positioned, use your fingernail or the flat tool to lift the pad's inner seam at the bottom inside edge. Peel slowly to separate the foam from the plastic ring. You're removing adhesive and clips, so take steady pressure. Keep the old pads intact until the new pads are ready to confirm orientation and clip alignment. Once the old pad is off, clean the mounting ring with a microfiber and 70% isopropyl to remove residue. Make sure no liquid enters the speaker grill. Inspect the ring for damaged clips and note the location of the microphone and cable openings so you orient the new pad correctly. Align the new pad's inner ring to those openings, starting by seating the top clips first. Then work your fingers around the edge, pressing firmly and evenly to engage all clips and any adhesive backing. You're at the finish. Press the entire pad to make a full seal and flex the cup gently to ensure the ring has snapped into place. Once seated, test audio and active noise cancellation at low volume. This verifies there are no obstructions and the driver hasn't shifted. If you feel gaps or uneven pressure, remove and reseat the pad, aligning the openings precisely. If clips are broken, use thin double-sided adhesive strips or replace the plastic mounting ring as a single key fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.